In this video series, we'll show you how to use Design Space and your Cricut machine to cut and apply the perfect design with any iron-on material. We'll take on a t-shirt project. For this project, you'll need a Cricut Explore or Cricut Maker machine, a laptop, desktop, or mobile device for Cricut Design Space, a standard grip mat, iron-on material of your choice. We're using Cricut Glitter Iron-On, a weeding tool, a cotton t-shirt, any style you like, a thick cotton bath towel, and a household iron or Cricut Easy Press. Let's get started. First, create a new project and select a template. Templates help us visualize the project so we can perfectly size our design. Narrow down the templates with the fashion filter. We'll pick a classic tee. Make sure the shirt type matches your t-shirt type. I've got a women's short sleeve, and it's a medium. Perfect. Now let's create our design. From the design panel, let's start with a shape. We'll use a heart. This is the Layers panel. The Layers panel is a powerful tool that gives you lots of control over your final design. For example, since we'll be using red glitter iron-on material, we'll use this panel to change the color to red. Later, we'll use the Color Sync panel to convert the whole design to one color. More on that in a bit. Now, we'll add an image. I'll use the filters to see images that are free. And use the keyword love. Goes with the heart. Let's use this one and insert it onto the canvas. Now, I want to add some text. Don't worry about changing the color just yet. We'll sync those in a moment. Let's take a moment to arrange the elements. We can use this control handle to scale the art, and this one to rotate it. Once everything is positioned, click and drag to select all the design elements and then size all of them together. I want mine to be about 9 inches wide. When it's perfect, here's what to do next. Again, we're using red glitter iron-on for our entire design. So to make sure that the whole thing gets cut on one mat, we need to sync the colors. From the Layers panel, select Color Sync. Then, click and drag each of these to the red one. Then, click Select All, and click Attach. Attach tells Design Space to lock the design exactly as it looks now, so that's exactly how it gets cut. Now we're set up to cut a perfect iron-on design, which we'll do in the very next video.